Hello, and thanks for joining us. Here's Business Review of January 19th, 2022. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has stated that the financial and manufacturing sector caused the jump in Nigeria capital outflow. This was disclosed by the Apex Bank in the recently released monthly economy report for October 2021. The Apex Bank stated that the capital outflow increased by 7.6%, driven mainly by financing and manufacturing sectors. However, CBN still faces challenges on the capital inflow front as the attractiveness of securities in the international financial markets, particularly in the United States, has harmed foreign capital inflow to the Nigerian economy. The CBN identified that capital outflow increased and surpassed the previous month. Loans and capital were at the forefront of Nigeria's capital outflow. CBN stated that the intervention in the Nigerian agricultural sector has led to the massive reduction in importation of rice from Thailand between 2014, when Thailand exported 1.3 metric tons of rice to Nigeria, to just 58,000 metric tons at the end of 2021. The Federal Executive Council (FEC) has approved a contract for the reconstruction of the narrow gauge rail track from Minna to Baro in Niger State. The Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Amaechi, stated this on Wednesday while briefing the media after the council meeting presided over by Vice President Yemi Osinbajo. The minister said the approval followed the 4 memos the Ministry of Transportation presented at the meeting. Amaechi said the council also approved 2.8 billion naira contract for the cleaning of equipment that the ministry brought from the Deep Blue project. The minister disclosed that the contract was approved for the Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency (NIMASA). He said there was also an approval for a variation contract for a 450-ton capacity crane in the sum of 214.131 million naira. According to him, it is a variation of the initial contract of 3,049,544 naira for the purchase of one railway crane of 450 capacity for emergency recovery on standard gauge. In other matters, the Federal Capital Territory Internal Revenue Service (FCTIRS) has vowed to sanction any organization, ministry, department, agency, or individual who refuse to file their annual returns. The acting chairman of the service, Mr. Haruna Abdullahi, announced this while addressing questions from journalists in Abuja, Nigeria's capital. The acting executive chairman, FCTIRS, urged taxable Nigerians, particularly residents of the FCT, to file their annual returns for 2021 on or before the end of March 2022. Abdullahi revealed that the deadline for filing of annual tax returns for organization, employers, ministries, departments, and agencies is 31st January 2022, while that for individuals is 31st of January 2022. And straight to stock news, the NGX closed bullish amidst sell-off and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index ASI appreciated by 173 basis points. The NGX ASI closed at 45,430.14 points to reflect a growth of 1.73% from the previous trading day and breaking a new high since September 29, 2008. The year-to-date YTD return stands at 6.35%, while the market capitalization increased by 417 billion naira. Intel Africa PLC witnessed immense rallying today as buy interest took the share price up 10% to close at 1,155 naira 50 kobo per share. This increased the telecommunications market value by 395 billion naira, which is 94% of the total gains recorded by the Nigerian economy at the end of Wednesday's trading session. At the close of market on Wednesday, 19 January 2022, the stock market value currently stands at 24.48 trillion naira. The market breadth closed negative as Intel Africa led 17 gainers as against 18 laggers, topped by FTN Cocoa Processors PLC at the end of yesterday's trading session. The stock market has advanced 2,713.70 basis points since the start of the year. In other market, the US dollar in the investors and exporters window sold at 415 naira 3 kobo. The pound sterling sold at 566 naira 22 kobo, while the euros went for 470 naira 22 kobo. Inflation rate is 15.63%, while the monetary policy rate (MPR) remains 11.5%. Crude oil sells for $90, 1 cent per barrel. That's Business Review. You can find me on Instagram at Scribe of Solomon. Double check to see if you're subscribed to this channel, tap the bell for notification, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Until I see you next time, my name is Ayo Adelotun. Bye for now.